Globally, plastic waste disposal has been of a great threat to the environment. Its disposal has caused all sorts of problems to nature and especially to water bodies and drainages. In Ghana, waste disposal, specifically plastic disposal in general, is a huge problem which has been aggravated more with the increasing use and demand of its use in everyday lives. These improperly disposed plastics find their ways all over the places, causing several problems like floods and sanitation hazards. As these plastic wastes continue to pose serious concerns for people, the plastic recycling industry has been introduced to help mitigate its negative impact on the environment and country, whilst creating jobs and improving the lives of people. These companies see to the gathering, collection, and transportation of the waste to various sites. Others are engaged in the segregation of this waste to obtain its reusable parts, such as plastics. Universal Plastic Product and Recycling Plant, UPPR, is one of the major key players in the plastic recycling industry.
UPPR is one of the subsidiary of Jospong Group, established in 2013. We are into the manufacturing of waste bins for households, waste management companies such as Zoomline Ghana Limited and other environmental sanitation service providers.
The main purpose of establishing this organization is to get rid of the plastic waste in our environment. All we need to do is to segregate them and we can make use out of it. What we are converting here, what we are taking from the landfills, we are producing plastic chairs out of that, we are producing waste bins out of that, and we are producing flexible plastic, what we normally call the bin liners.
UPPR has over 100 employees. These are direct employees we pay at the end of every month. Through our buyback centers, we also create a lot of indirect employees. We have a lot of people scavengers all over the various landfills and in various communities collecting plastics which are all brought here for us to buy. And by so doing, we are helping the government to keep our country clean. And as we pay them, we are also creating jobs and taking off this burden of joblessness from society.
We are basically into recycling. So we recycle to add value. We have the capacity to produce as much as 40,000 waste bins every month. So any quantity that you want, for either for industrial usage or for household activity, we are ever ready to sell to you. We also have wholesale outlets in Tamale, in Kumasi, in Accra, and in Takoradi, all retail plastic selling outlets. We are available there. We are currently selling to customers in Nigeria, Cote d'Ivoire, Togo, Benin, Burkina Faso, Niger, Mali.
The efforts and works of UPPR has drastically reduced the impact of plastic waste materials, ensured the sustainable reuse of plastics, whilst contributing to the attainment of the Sustainable Development Goals.
These are how we are making use of the waste in our environment. This helps in making our gutters and our drainage more free from all plastics, because all plastics are useful.
We just want to help create sustainable communities where there are no plastic waste at all. Plastics are important, plastics are usable if only we all come together to make sure that we separate our waste at home. Once we separate plastic waste in our various homes, it is possible to achieve this goal of creating a cleaner community and safer and more sustainable environment for us all and for our children and for tomorrow.